Hello, I'd like to show you guys how to record sound in Canvas. Here we have an exercise for reading and pronunciation, and you'll see there's a box here. I'm going to click in the box and you'll see the flashing line here. And then to record, we go to this arrow here. It says record or upload media. I'm going to click on that. You should get this window. It can be slow, and my computer is being slow. Alright, we're looking for Flash Player, and I'm going to click the green button. But first, do I want the camera or only the microphone? Let's say that maybe today I'm not beautiful. I only want the microphone, no video. Same thing, just wait a minute and then click on the green button. Your computer should connect. Sometimes it takes longer, and honestly sometimes it doesn't work. But please try this. If you see the red dot, you're ready to record. Pay. I click on the square to stop, and then I listen to my recording. If I'm happy, then I will save it. If I'm not happy and I want to try again, I will record again. Pay. Sounds good, so I'm going to save it. After I save it, I can see that my sound is here. And then I can move on to the next question, click in the box, click on record, and do it again. Once I've finished recording all of the words one by one, and yes, there are many words. Let's see. Beautiful. 36 words. After you've recorded all 36, congratulations. Please submit the exercise. I hope that was easy, and I hope it works for you.